morning, students. Today I will explain you chapter number 8, A Treat for Mosquitoes. In this chapter, we will learn about mosquito, their breeding, diseases caused by mosquitoes, and the prevention from the mosquitoes. Now I will begin the reading and the explanation of the chapter. Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. How are you now? Asked Aarti. I am all right. Rajat replied softly. Softly means he is having lack of strength or energy. He is feeling very weak. So Rajat is back to school today after so many days. So his friend in the class is asking, how are you Rajat now? So he is replying that I am all right, though he is feeling very weak. Jaskirat, you must have played a lot while you were at home. So Jaskirat is asking, you were at home, so you have played a lot. You have played lot of games. Rajat. Now Rajat is replying, who wants to play when you have fever? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine. I even had a blood test. Rajat is replying to Jaskirat, a person having fever, how can he play? He has to take bitter medicine also and he had to go for the blood test. Jaskirat was surprised. A blood test? A blood test is very painful. Now Rajat is replying, actually, when the needle pricked my finger, it felt like an ant bite. They took 2 to 3 drops of blood and sent it for testing. That's how we came to know that I had malaria. Now Rajat is telling about the blood test. That when my finger was pricked with the needle, pricked means a small hole done by a sharp instrument. So he felt like an ant bite him. And 2-3 drops of blood is taken for testing. And after that, he came to know that he is suffering from malaria. Now Nancy is saying, but you get malaria when a mosquito bites you. Rajat, yes, but we find out by the blood test. Now Nancy tells Rajat, when a mosquito bites you, then only you are getting malaria. Rajat is saying, yes, but we will find only when we'll go for the blood test. Jaskirat, there are a lot of mosquitoes in my house these days, but I did not get malaria. Now Jaskirat is telling that in his house so many mosquitoes are there, but he did not get malaria. Nancy, who says that every mosquito bite causes malaria? Malaria spreads only by the disease carrying mosquito. Nancy is telling, who says means every mosquito bites, they are not causing malaria. Malaria is only caused by those mosquitoes who carries diseases. Aarti, all mosquitoes look the same to me. Rajat, there must be some difference. So Aarti is saying that all the mosquitoes look similar, but Rajat is saying there must be some difference. Now you can see in the first picture, blood is taken on the glass slide for the test. And how the malaria spreads? Malaria spreads by the female mosquito Anopheles. In the second picture you can see Dr. Mariam looking at the blood slide under the microscope. What is microscope? Microscope is a scientific instrument which makes very small objects look bigger. This microscope you can see 1,000 times bigger, and this Dr. Mariam, she is looking at the slide. In the microscope, many things are seen clearly. This is the picture of Anopheles mosquito which spreads malaria. Nancy, did they take the blood from the place where the mosquito had bitten you? Rajat, of course not. How do I know when and where the mosquito bit me? Nancy, but how could they find out that you had malaria by your blood test? Do you think they could see something in the blood? Now, Nancy is asking from Rajat that where the mosquito had bitten him, from that part the blood had been taken. Rajat is replying, no. How do I know the mosquito had bitten him in which place? So Nancy is saying, how by the blood test we can find out a person is suffering from malaria? Or can we see something in the blood? So you can see in your textbook some of the questions are given. Do you know anyone who has had malaria? So if you know anybody in your family or in your neighbor or your friend, anybody who had been suffering from malaria, so your answer will be in yes, otherwise no. How did they find out they had malaria? So we can find out by the blood test that a person got malaria. What problems did they have on having malaria? They were having high fever, they will be shivering, they were feeling weakness. What other diseases can be caused by mosquito bites? So by mosquito bites, we also get other diseases like chikungunya, yellow fever, dengue, etc. In which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happens? Malaria is seen commonly during the rainy season. Why? Because mosquito finds the breeding place and their breeding time is rainy season. What do you in your house to protect yourself from mosquitoes? Also find out from your friends about what they do. So the best thing to protect yourself from the mosquito to use mosquito repellent or nets, and you can ask your friends what they are using to prevent from the mosquitoes. Now you can see the report given in the next page. Now you can see the report of Rajat, how the malaria is diagnosis. He was having fever with chills and rigors. Rigors means a sudden feeling of cold with shivering. So malarial parasite was found in Rajat's blood sample. Medicine for malaria. From earlier times, the dried and powdered bark of the cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria. Earlier, people used to boil the bark powder and strain the water which was given to the patients. Now tablets are made from this. Bark means outer skin of a plant or a tree. So ancient time means very earlier time, old days, people were making the powder from the bark of the cinchona tree. Then they were boiling it and after that straining it and giving it to the patients, those who were suffering from the malaria. Now we are using tablets for curing the disease. This is the picture of cinchona tree. Its bark is used to make the medicine for malaria. Anemia. What's that, Aarti? You know, I also had to get blood test done, but they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had anemia. Rajat, what is that? Aarti, the doctor said there is less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. The doctor gave some medicines to give me strength. He also said that I should eat jaggery, amla, and more green leafy vegetables because these have iron. Nancy, how can there be iron in our blood? Jaskirat, there was something about this in the newspaper yesterday. Rajat, laughing. So then you ate Iron or what? Aarti. Silly. This is not the iron used to make these keys. I don't know what it was. After I ate a lot of vegetables. This is the picture of cinchona tree. Its bark is used to make the medicine for malaria. Now, what is anemia? Anemia means low number of red blood cells or decrease in the total amount of red blood cells. And now, what is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin means a protein of red blood cells. Now, Aarti is telling that when she had gone for the blood test, a syringe full of blood was taken for the test, and which has showed that she had anemia. So, Radhit is asking, what is that? Now, Aarti is telling that when she is having less hemoglobin, means iron in the blood, then she had anemia. So, for the treatment, the doctor gave her some medicines so that she will get energy, and also suggested her to eat jaggery, amla, and more green leafy vegetable in her diet. Now, Nancy is asking, how can there be iron in the blood? Jaskirat is saying that in the newspaper there was something about anemia. Now, Rajat is laughing. He said that how can we eat iron? Aarti replied, it is not that iron which is a metal used to make keys, but doctor has advised me to eat lot of vegetables so that my hemoglobin can go up. My dear students, I hope you all have understood the chapter. I'll complete the chapter in my next video and I'll share it soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.